Are you thinking about a nice trip to a medieval castle in the south of Germany? Lichtenstein Castle is a wonderful idea. It is a very romantic place that is just 1 hour away from Stuttgart. It is located at the edge of the Swabian Alps, 870 meters above the sea level. There is a parking right in front of the castle. The price is €2, or you can park a few hundred meters from there for free. It will take you around 7 minutes to walk to the castle. If you want some additional adventure, you can take the ropes course at Abenteuerpark am Schloss Lichtenstein. €23 for an adult or €17 for children. You can walk around the castle as there are several hiking routes, or go inside, €4 entrance to the courtyard or €10 with a guided tour. In case you're hungry, there is a cafe and a restaurant. The links to the castle and adventure park you can find in the description box. Enjoy this beautiful footage, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gone done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry, the here goes but why, where the desperate lie.